Alright, YouTubers, we have this 52-inch chrome and clear Codep. Let's go ahead and get to the top. Ooh, already. Oh, label's actually right here. Couldn't have asked for that to be better. Codep International. TC series, made in Hong Kong. Has a cast iron motor. There's we'll find it, there we go. UL label. Inspection 2. And serial number, there you go. I found some mounting hardware. Actually, it came off one of the other tats down there. So they're not really selling them, so I can scrap them. This one originally had an issue with the switch cap, where it wasn't the actual connection for it, the weld gave out. So, see that little black plate, if I can focus a little bit better. See that little black plate up there? That is, sorry about that, my phone ran out of storage. Either way, I just put 2 screws onto that black plate. I don't know if you're not going to be able to see, you might be able to see the tops of the screws. There's one right there. The other one's over there. And they hold the switch housing on very firmly. It's on there. And it doesn't get in the way of anything, because this chrome piece is separate from the black piece via those small screws on the side. And this opens via the bottom, so it doesn't block anything. And once again, cast iron motor. So let's go ahead and get the camera set up, and we'll start doing a test video. We'll demonstrate this on the original speeds. Sorry for the glare, give me a second to get everything. Is that gonna be good enough? Let's turn it sideways a little more. That should be right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to low. So, high, medium, low. I balanced the blades as best I could. When I had this for display in the habitat, it was with the blades on it. So as you can imagine, they got bent up a bit. I straightened them out a pretty decent amount. Pretty nice low speed. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Medium. Medium might be where you start seeing some wobble. Okay, it's not perfect. I balanced it as best I could. I'm sure if someone would play with it more, they'd get better. Just this is where I left it, because I didn't want to deal with it anymore. And let's go, at least let's go to high. So low, off, high. I think actually moves a pretty good amount of air. Once again, by no means is it perfectly balanced. I don't know if you can actually see it shaking, but it does shake. Either way, let's get a closer look. As you can hear, pretty good. This fan, Dan Swift Newman is interested in. He has to give me a decent trade for it. So, I'll see what happens with it. If not, then I'll have it for sale. Sorry, gotta extend the feet on this tripod. That's what the issue was earlier. Good nerve frame, alright. There we go. fan. I'm gonna try and get the last 3 tested tonight, and then I'm gonna try and clean up the garage a little bit because my mom wanted me to. So we'll see if we get there, but right now. And there was a little bit of bearing noise. I put some zoom spout in it, and that bearing noise went right away. So that's good. This is my first fan of this kind. I haven't gotten any of these that are top mount with the bottom vents like that. It's also my first fan of clear blades. And they're pretty neat. They're actually not scratched up. They're a little dirty and stuff, but they're not scratched up. These were actually kept in pretty good condition. Along with the fan there, all the chrome is very nice. It's just got some fingerprints and stuff on it, but you need to clean off. But besides that, it's not scratched up. It's very clean. After this, I have the larger Moss Tropical Breeze and the 2 Leslie locks, which I'll try and do in unison. I don't know how all that'll work, but we'll see where we get on that. Pretty decent spin down. Probably because the blades are heavy acrylic and cast iron motor. Okay, this is a Codep. Ugh. And there we go. Thanks for watching.